Welcome guys, welcome again to another video here. This video here we're going to be fixing the speed queen here, that's the model. We're going to be taking this cover here to access the lid lock. The lid lock is not working. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't, so we're going to be replacing that. So we're going to take the front cover here to access the lid lock. And you'll be able to see the water, the drain pump, everything is accessible in this unit. That's the best thing about a speed queen. It's a good machine and very easy to access, easy to fix. It's not expensive, and normally they come with a 5-year warranty on it. But this one is a little bit over 5 years, so the unit is going to need a new lid lock. So the customer had to get a lid lock. So I'm going to be replacing that to fix the issue. So that's the pump. The drain pump, this one does have a little like electronic module here. The control board is also electronic board. It doesn't have a timer anymore on these machines. So I'm going to take it out. You guys can see it. So there's 2 screws here, and once you take those 2 out, I'm going to push the top a little bit so that way I can access the second one. So, yeah, so if you have any questions, make sure you leave it on the bottom of the video. If you want me to help you find some parts, send me a message, but I need the model, and I need to know what the issue is so that way I can reply back to you. Make sure don't forget to subscribe for more videos. So this is what the electronic module looks like. So, transferring the wiring from the old one to the new one, and I'm going to go back and put it in. Yeah. So yeah, I see a lot of following. Thanks for the support. That's helping me make those making videos for you guys. Thanks definitely for the support. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and I'll continue making full videos. So yeah, so I'm gonna connect the wire here, and I'm gonna start putting everything back. We're gonna test it, make sure it locks. And yeah, it's a 5-year-old machine, but it looks brand new. The customer has the whole set, washer and dryer. The dryer, not a single problem at all. Yeah, it's a beautiful machine. It gets used often. So yeah, all right guys. Well, I'll be making more videos. Stay tuned for more. And the next one I'll probably be making something with the ice maker. So don't forget to follow so you don't miss the next video. And I'll see you guys on the next one. The video will continue rolling. So you guys feel free to watch it all the way to the end. Oh, before I leave, I forgot to tell you that on this washers, most of the washers they have, like if you fold it for 3 seconds, it resets the washer back to default, so you can start up a new cycle. So that's how usually you do it. A lot of customers get confused and they don't do that, but all right. So I'm trying to see if I have any more tips that I can show you guys. No, that's it. Don't use a lot of soap. All right, see you guys.